In today's industrial context, meeting the demands of the modern era is essential, which highlights the need for streamlined solutions. This is the case of a major mining company based in Chile, recognized for its production of lithium carbonate and other minerals. Aiming for carbon neutrality in all its products by 2040 and present in crucial sectors such as health, technology and clean energy, the company operates in more than 100 countries. The client had been collecting data manually for a long time, using various legacy systems with no common interface. This lack of overview was unsustainable for such an important metric, since up to 70% of a business's EBITDA may be at risk from sustainability-related challenges. NTT DATA implemented a proof of concept by using SAP BTP, SAP Sustainability Control Tower, CSV files, and SAP Cloud Platform Extension. In order to monitor key metrics in governance, environment, social and economics, a tool that could gather and manage them was needed. Once the information was loaded into the system, a roadmap was drawn up to understand the POC's long-term objectives. The proof of concept, coupled with new analytical features, has provided a better overview, enabling the client to create projections, compare data, and establish metrics aligned with their sustainability goals. A single user interface is available through Fiori for easy interpretation, consolidating data from various legacy systems. NTT DATA's track record in implementing the SAP Business Technology Platform made them the right choice to take the project on, acting as an all-round partner and offering a comprehensive vision of the sustainability field. The project's success positions them for future SAP Sustainability Control Tower assignments, enabling the implementation of new reporting methods and joint initiatives with the client. Join us